I don't like this situation, bro. I'm gonna cross right here. I'm gonna hit a car. No, I was over there. My bike okay? I just busted my ass in front of everybody in traffic over there. I hope I'm okay. You know, I was like, oh, pick up the bike. Pick up the bike. It's embarrassing. Whoa. Damn. It's not a bum camps. Bum camps is what I meant to say. Bum camps. Oh! I think I found the root of the problem again. It's a dead end. We go that way. There's no choice, I guess we're going here. Whoa! Again! That's twice! Damn it! That's twice today! The funny thing is that Leaf has no idea that I've busted my ass twice behind him. He has no idea. Dude, the bike just threw me right off. I was like, damn. God damn it. Is my peg okay? Oh, my bike's not happy. Should I tell him or not? Should I just wait for the video to come out? He'd be like, you fell, you fell. I'd be like, yeah. I might not say nothing. Might just keep it. Might just keep it like this. Oh, jump. Nice. The thing is, guys, for those of you guys that, I kind of hurt my thumb a little. Pulled my thumb out of place. For those of you guys that don't know, we're kind of new to this. I have street tires on. I don't have dirt bike tires, so especially with this little, just a little bit of mud, and I'm already sliding everywhere. And I'm trying to keep up with Leaf. Not only is he a good rider, he's got a great bike too, and that's messing me up. Woo! Let me tell this guy I need a drink of water, man. I'm dying. I need water. I'm dying. ¿Qué pasó? You have no idea, but I busted my ass twice. You just didn't see it. When we came in, I tried to keep up with you. Oh, you can't even tell. It was on this side. So, yeah, you know me, bro. When I'm falling, I go like this. All right, we got it on the selfie stick. We're about to at least get some cool action shots. I'm gonna go up once at least. I guess I'll go down then. Oh, are you okay? Oh, my bike's not okay. Hold on, hold on. Oh, my bike's messed up. The throttle's stuck. Ah! Hold on, I gotta tow leaf. God damn it!
El cable del acelerador, esto es lo que está aquí.
¿Dónde está binding? Oh, we're at this place right here, and not to mention I've pissed on this wall so many times, so I don't want to mention that to him because I need him to be nice to me to lend me a wrench. But yeah, I peed on this wall so many times because there was like a bar back here. I used to get drunk and there was no bathroom. There was a huge line at the place, so I would just walk across the street, and this place was covered in cars, so it was a good place to take a pee, and I used to pee on this wall all the time. So let's not mention that to him because we want him to be real nice to us, because we got a situation where we need to borrow a thing. So alright, so sir, I'm sorry I peed on your wall so many times, and I'm so grateful that you gave me a wrench so I could fix that binding issue. So I vow from here on forward to never pee on this wall again. Okay, let's boogie. My handlebars and everything else is a little bit wonky now. My handlebars are forward. Okay, come on, bike. Come on. Oh, this is so weird riding like this. Oh, okay. He says he's gonna give me a pair of he says he has a pair of it's so weird, everything's all flipped up. Yeah, it's just so weird riding like this, man. Okay. I gotta go slow today. Nah, this ain't right. This don't feel right. I just almost fell a second ago. At least it's not binding. Damn it. I don't know, Leaf just found this spot right here. I was like, Leaf, what are you doing? Whoa. Look at Leaf on there. It's a nice view. Yeah, yeah, Racky. Hey, wait a minute. I'm really upset though because there's so much free play in my damn bike. You know what it is to live with OCD? I have this bad OCD. It just won't go away. Damn it! Wow. Everglades. Everglades. Yoink, 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 yoink. Yoink, 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 yoink. Man, he's hauling ass. What the hell is that on the road? Those birds?